Bonjour. Today we are going to concentrate on the future proche. This is a complex tense. It involves one conjugated verb and one non-conjugated verb. That is the full verb. So the future proche, when translated into French, will mean le futur proche, and it means the near future. So let's go into its formation. So how is the future proche formed? The future proche is formed to the present tense of aller. That is, to the present tense of the verb aller, which means to go. You have to add the full verb which is given. So to the present tense of aller, if you add any infinitive, you will get what is known as futur proche. So let's go into the first example. I've written the example in the present tense, je parle. That means I speak, and je parle, I think you all know, je parle is in the present tense. Now, what we first have to do is we have to find the infinitive, or we have to find the full verb for this verb je parle. And what is the full verb for je parle? The full verb is parler. So the full verb for je parle is parler, and parler means to speak. Now, if we want to convert the sentence into the future proche, we have to add the present tense of aller, that is the present tense of aller, plus we have to have the full verb. Since we've already found the full verb, now we'll go into the present tense of aller. For those of you who do not know the present tense of aller, which was already done in standard 11, I will recapitulate it for you. The present tense of aller is je vais, tu vas, il ou elle va, nous allons, vous allez, il ou elle vont. Now, what does je vais mean? Je vais means I am going or I go. Tu vas means you are going or you go. Il ou elle va means he or she is going, or it means he or she goes. Nous allons will mean we are going or we go. Vous allez will mean you are going or you go. And ils ou elles vont will mean they are going or they go. So this is the conjugation of the present tense of the verb aller, which means to go. So if we add to this, if we add the full verb, so to the present tense of aller, if we add the full verb which is given, we will get a new tense which is known as the futur proche, or the near future. Now coming back to our example, we found the full verb of the sentence je parle. Je parle means I speak, parler means to speak, and the futur proche will mean je vais parler. So you have the present tense of aller, and we've added the full verb which is given. You have je vais parler, and this will mean I am going to speak. Now, in example 2, I have taken the verb commence, commencer. So the present tense of the verb commencer is il commence. And from il commence, if you try to get the full verb, you will get commencer. Commencer, which means to start. This is the full verb. And if you want to put this in the future proche, you will have to put the present tense of the verb aller, that is ils vont, and then add the full verb, which is commencer. So ils vont commencer will mean they are going to start. In the third example, I have given you the verb être. You all know this verb, vous êtes, one of the first verbs which was done in the French class. Vous êtes is in the present tense. The full verb for vous êtes is être, and the futur proche will mean vous allez être. You are going to be. So, I hope you would have understood the futur proche with this simple explanation. Learn the formation of the futur proche. Learn the formation of, or learn the conjugation of the verb aller by heart, and definitely you will be able to do the verbs in the futur proche. All the best. Bonne chance. Au revoir.